Audio Gent.
Gent Vigilant by Honeywell. We're here to retrieve, and after transmit you need to edit the label because they have bypass. So we check the status, password, Gent, check the status of the card, info, status card, for lock started, lock complete, 144 devices. The original device is 145, one bypass, so 144 only. So check the status card 0, what domain number, domain 1 433 400, not 4. Okay, then open this one, tools, commissioning tools. Commissioning tools. Okay. Connect the USB port to the MCC card from fire alarm panel. Then connect the USB from the laptop. Then check the option settings. Okay, for 38400. Okay, then click retrieve. Yes, this one is node 4. Okay, we're asking the password. Password is Gent. Then okay, now running. Then the task is to complete, need task complete at 4 of 20, so need 20. Okay, now it's retrieving. From here, now is controls connected, master falling, so it means connected now running. Okay, now funnel communications stop, so the retrieve completed already. So we need to save first the file, save, go this one. What then NCC, then 2020 and 20 and what not for day to day. Then 09 20 and then save. Okay, then config, open config. Here. Okay, so now here 83, 84, then 86, no more 85. They removed the 85, but this one is safe address, so no need to any change, because this one is any device removed in safe address, they will not adjust the label. So this one is okay. If this net label is not safe address, any device removed, they will adjust. So need to check the label and set in the label location, because if they not safe address, the label will adjust. But this one is already safe address, so any device removed, the device label is still will not adjusted. Okay, so I will save this one. No need to edit. Save. Okay.